Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about Singapore, and Singapore's is actually looking to becoming a global crypto hub. We're going to dissect, how far it has gone and how likely it is going to become one, and what is the central bank or the governing bank, which is the monetary authority of Singapore, is doing on that aspect. And they've been doing a lot of work over the past few months, probably years, to get to there. So we're going to talk about all of that today. As usual, before I jump in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please comment on my videos so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research and from my videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. So as you know, before I start, I talk about my ebook. This ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled Six-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. In this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job. It talks about the challenge. It talks about the research that I did before I jumped in. It talks about the challenges I faced, and it also talks about how I overcame those challenges. Now, this ebook is available to you to anyone, especially those who are looking to becoming an entrepreneur. For them, I put down 3 worksheets in this ebook so that you can, answer certain questions and get points, and you get to know where you stand before you actually jump into the world of entrepreneurship. I have also scored myself based on those worksheets, and you'll get to know how much I scored, and you will also get to know how successful I am today as an entrepreneur. This ebook is available to you for free of charge. It's available on my website. It's flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and a link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Now let's jump into the world of Singapore becoming a global crypto hub. So what has Singapore? Why is it vying for it, and where does it stand today? So that's what we're going to talk about in this particular slide. So MAS is the Monetary Authority of Singapore, which is the Central Bank of Singapore. The chief of that of MAS is Ravi Menon. He said that they do not want to ban crypto, but put in place strong regulation so firms that meet its requirements and address the multitude of risks. They're going to only accept those. So with crypto-based activities, it is basically an investment in a prospective future, the shape of which is not clear at this point in time. That's what he said. Singapore wants to get a head start in the game, but it has many competitors like Dubai, Miami, El Salvador, Malta, Zug, Switzerland, and others. Sorry, Zug, Switzerland. It can be a fine line to tread, given the crypto industry grew up with few regulations. So many players balk at government officials' attempts to impose such regulations. Singapore wants to raise its safeguards to counter risks, including illicit money flows. So is it really in a strong position? So let's try and dissect that element as well. So MAS has received many applications from crypto firms, including Binance Holding, which has had a series of run-ins with regulators around the world, and Gemini, a US operator targeting institutional investors. Binance has had a problem, but it has a significant presence in Singapore. Only 3 crypto firms have received the much coveted licenses, while 2 were rejected. About 30 withdrew their applications after engaging with the regulator. So that means they are putting in strict processes and screening before they actually approve or provide license to operate in Singapore. Among those approved is the brokerage arm of DBS Group Holding, which is Singapore's largest bank, which is also a pioneer in setting up a platform for trading of digital tokens while offering tokenized services. Clearly, Singapore wants the benefit of having a well-regulated local crypto industry to extend beyond the financial sector. So, all in all, I think Singapore has a history of regulating financial services, although they have allowed in the past passage of funds which were not really legitimate, but they are bringing in regulations, especially for crypto, to ensure that flow of illicit fund doesn't happen through Singapore and through those firms, crypto firms who have got license from Monetary Authority of Singapore. So, in a summary, I would say that if you are one who is a crypto company who wants to come to Singapore, and you could definitely look to put in your application to Monetary Authority of Singapore and see if it works, because in my opinion, Singapore does have the wherewithal and the processes and the regulations in place to have crypto companies operate with genuine license without creating fraud or anti-money laundering kind of situations in that process. So I would highly recommend that if you are looking to come into Singapore, do send in your application to Monetary Authority of Singapore. I would also like you to go take a look at the challenges that the regulators are facing and what the Senate in the US is talking about on crypto regulations, what Fed Chair Jerome Powell is talking about, what the Finance Secretary and ex-chair of Fed Janet Yellen has been talking about on regulating the crypto. So I did a video on that. I will link. I put a link to that video on the card above. Go take a look at it. It'll be useful for you, especially if you are a crypto owner or crypto company owner or providing crypto a service or a startup. It should be beneficial to you. So take a look at that video. So thank you very much for listening to me. I hope this gives you a headway into Singapore if you are a crypto company or a crypto firm or a startup. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. If you want to know more about me, know my profile, I'll put down my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, take a look at my profile. If you like my profile, send me an invite. As a profession, I work regularly with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant in your company, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can, communicate and see how we can work together. So that's it, guys. Before I go, my final request to you: please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, you stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.